If you want your heat pump to work right and not mess up, knowing what an accumulator does is seriously clutch. So, the accumulator is that black cylinder you see on the suction line before the compressor, and it's a total game changer. Its main job is to stop any liquid refrigerant from sneaking into the compressor, because if liquid gets in there, it can cause some serious damage. Think of it like a safety net that catches the liquid refrigerant and only lets gas through, keeping everything running smooth. Without it, your compressor could flood, and that means expensive repairs or even needing a whole new unit. If you're ever checking your heat pump, spotting the accumulator is a quick way to know the system has this protective feature. When it's working right, you'll notice better efficiency and longer life from your heat pump. Also, if you're ever getting a tune-up or repair, ask the technician to check the accumulator for leaks or blockages, because that stuff can sneak up on you. Keeping an eye on this part helps avoid costly breakdowns and keeps your home comfy year-round. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their heat pumps is ignoring the accumulator's role in preventing liquid slugging in the compressor. This can wreck your system fast, so make sure it's intact and functioning. Another common problem is not catching refrigerant leaks early. If the accumulator leaks, it won't protect the compressor properly, so get it checked regularly. Lastly, some folks skip regular maintenance and don't clean or replace filters, which can cause refrigerant flow issues and put extra strain on the accumulator and compressor. Staying on top of maintenance fixes this. BigHomeProjects.com is great for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about heat pumps and all the tricky parts like accumulators. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to connect with homeowners who need reliable help with their home projects.